A Charlotte woman recovering today after a beach trip turned into a real nightmare.
Yeah, Rinda Mazel was sunbathing in Fort Lauderdale last week when she was run over by an ocean rescue truck. Police say lifeguards were able to free Mazel from beneath the truck, and amazingly, she suffered only minor injuries. See some of the photos here. WBTV's Melissa Hankins joins us now live. Melissa, how is she doing today?
Well, Jamie, she wasn't feeling well enough to talk on camera today. Her lawyer says she's still in a considerable amount of pain. He filled us in on what happened from Florida, and he says you need to know about this case before you hit the beach this summer.
You're thinking, okay, I guess this is how I'm going to die.
Cuts, burns, scrapes, tire tracks carved into her arm. Rinda Mazel, a substitute teacher for CMS, was sunbathing on this beach in Fort Lauderdale last week when an ocean rescue truck rolled right over her body.
I start screaming and everything goes dark because the SUV was blocking the sun. I reached up and I touched the undercarriage of the truck, and it was very hot and it burned my palm pretty badly.
Mazel is the fifth sunbather run over by lifeguards on Florida beaches in the past few years, according to her lawyer, John Phillips.
There's not a more vulnerable position to be in.
This is another one of Phillips' clients, Erin Joint. Last year, she was run over in Daytona in front of her terrified children.
Erin Joint and Rinda Mazel are examples of what could happen to the very next tourist that comes. And it'll happen again. I'd stake my reputation on it. If things don't change, somebody's going to be killed in the next 2 years.
Phillips says the solution is easy. Lifeguards shouldn't be trucking along on stretches of sand designated for sunbathers.
You can do everything these trucks have to do at the very edge of the beach if you even need them. For most jurisdictions, I think it's practical to do most of this work by either golf cart or ATV. They're just not switching over out of convenience.
Now, Phillips is fighting to get the law changed in Florida, but these accidents are not unique to that state. A woman was hit in Myrtle Beach, and there have been several cases in California. We'll keep you posted. Live in the newsroom, Melissa Hankins, WBTV, on your side.
All right, Melissa, thank you. Now, officials say the driver of the ocean rescue truck has been placed on administrative leave pending an investigation.